Top 5 most searched gigs on Fiverr in 2022. Number 1, promotional video ads. Fiverr recently said there is 453% increase in searches for promotional video ads, as nowadays everyone consuming video content. That's why promotional video ads is hot topic. If you can also make promotional video ads, then immediately make your gig on Fiverr. Number 2, NFT art. NFT is also a hot topic and people says NFT is future. That's why 3504% increase in search for NFT art on Fiverr is found in the last 6 months. If you can also make NFTs, then it's a golden period for you. Go and make your gig on Fiverr and get order for NFTs. Earn thousands of dollars. Number 3, social media content manager. Today every business is on internet, and for a handling business on internet everyone needs social media content manager. Fiverr found 361% increase in search for social media content manager. If you can handle or manage social media, then immediately make your gig on Fiverr and handle the social media for the thousands of dollars. Number 4, logistic website. Fiverr found a 300% increase in the search for logistic website. If you know this service, then go and make your gig on Fiverr. Number 5, 3D CAD modeling. Fiverr found a 297% increase in the search for 3D CAD modeling. If you can also provide 3D CAD modeling service, then immediately make your gig on Fiverr. If you understand and loved this video, then like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.